Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones. While everyone's buzzing about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, there's another player in the game, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Let's dive into the details. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is making waves with some intriguing rumors. According to a new report from the Elec, Samsung has finalized the production schedule for this device, and we can expect it to debut in Q4 this year. For comparison, the current Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 7.6-inch foldable display and a 6.2-inch cover screen. The standard Z Fold 6 is expected to keep the same display sizes as the Z Fold 5 but with a slightly different aspect ratio and potentially a 0.2-inch increase in the cover display. An 8-inch foldable display means more screen real estate for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Plus, the larger 6.5-inch cover display could make it easier to use the phone without unfolding it, enhancing convenience on the go. While we won't see the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim at this week's Galaxy Unpacked event, the rumors are definitely exciting. A slimmer, more practical foldable with a larger display could be a game-changer. We'll keep you updated with all the latest news as it unfolds. Pun intended. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech updates. And let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Until next time, stay tech savvy.